Hello friends, today I am going to teach you how to install Linux in Android and again how to use a keyboard for typing your programs. So here are the 3 steps I have written. First, you have to install Termux. This is a Linux application. Please come forward. This is a Linux application. As you can see, I can type commands over here ls and it is running like this. So first what you have to do is you have to install this Termux application in your Android, and for it you can either install it directly or you can install it via the F-Droid app. This is the F-Droid app. Once installed, you can start using it directly also, but for that you will have to use the keyboard over here. The other option is very simply what we will do is we will use this OTG cable. This is an OTG cable and it is like this. You can see the one end is like this, other end is for inserting in the mobile phone. So the second part is connect OTG type C cable to keyboard and mobile. So first I will connect it with the mobile like this. Here in this mobile port you connect it like this, and the other part what you have to do is please you connect it with the keyboard like this, simple. Now the moment you do it, look here, it will say keyboard connected. Android will automatically detect it, and now what you have to do, you have to simply start Termux, and look here I am keeping it like this and you can see it over here. I am keeping it like this. It is saying keyboard has been connected, and now I will start writing ls. It is doing this ls minus l. It is, you can see over here it is working like this. Just stay there. My wife is actually making a video of me and I am showing you. I can now use this keyboard in nano editor also. I am typing here nano say test1.c just for your example. I write it and you can come here forward. Just look at this. Both are visible now. Now look over here. I with keyboard only I am coming down. I am typing something. It is, you can type any command over here. So I hope this is how you can use the keyboard with your Android phone and you can learn or use Linux in it. I hope this video was useful for you. If it was useful for you, please give a thumbs up, okay, and please like the video, and it's up to you. And if you want to subscribe to my channel, you can do so also, and I will be uploading more videos on networking, Linux, C and Python language. So thank you for your time. Goodbye.